Hey people, Aman Vyasya here. So yesterday, as we know, we made a cloud computer, and today we'll be making our own VPN. So how do we do that? Just come to this original page, dashboard, console.google.com, and from here we shall go into. So we will be making a new virtual machine, and we'll go into VM instances, and then we shall be creating a new instance. Now you can delete your own old virtual machine by just clicking the three dots and then delete. It's very easy. And here we shall name it VPN test. Sure. And make sure you select Los Angeles. But for some reason, the internet quality in the Los Angeles region is just amazing. Select the machine type F1 micro. The boot disk, that's fine. Allow HTTPS traffic. Go to this management option, and here scroll up back, go to networking, and click here on this network interface, and make sure you allow IP forwarding on. If you do not allow that on, then we are in big trouble. And click here for create IP address. We just name it test2, and we'll reserve the IP address. That's just in case if we ever were to like shut down our machine and start it. So we'll just click create. Make sure all the options are on and the IP forwarding option is on. You cannot change that later. So we'll just click create, and hopefully it should boot up in a second. And any second now. Apparently the Google servers are bad. So click SSH here, and this is our IP. Okay, it's working. I'll open up a new tab here and we'll go to this website. Obviously the links are in the description. On this page we'll just get this line, copy, and pasta, and enter. So now we should let this run for a while, and it will run on its own, and it will do the entire install process. It might take 4 to 5 minutes. So I'll play the video when it's done. Okay, so this seems to be done. It took about like 5 to 6 minutes. Now these are your credentials. Make sure you take this entire information and you paste it somewhere. I'll just open up a new terminal and save it. txt, that should open up a Sublime Text. We'll just paste and we'll save it. So now these are your important, so you need these and you need to input all these values on your phone so you can connect to the VPN. Now how do you connect to the VPN on the phone? I'll teach you that in some seconds. So we'll just go to network and internet, and inside that VPN, and we'll click for a new VPN. We'll name it something, whatever we want, and select the type to the second one. Now we'll just take the server address from the file we have. So I'll switch over to the WhatsApp. I have the value saved. So there is the IPsec PSK key. Make sure you copy it. Don't make any mistakes. And we'll paste that into the IPsec pre-shared key. Then the username is whatever you want. It's a VPN user in this case. And the password is once again this mess. So you copy the password, you paste it here, and then you save, and then you click on it and you click connect, and it should connect. When it connects, you will see a sign saying in the notification bar that you are connected to a VPN, and device connected to the VPN. Now I'll open a browser to show you guys that we indeed are connected to the VPN. Our IP address would be different. And yes, see, you can see our IP address is different, and we can also go and check the IP address location, which is Los Angeles, California. So that's it for today. Any questions, comments, concerns, do let me know. And this project took like a really long time to make, so I would really appreciate if you could just subscribe and share this video. I usually don't ask for sharing the video, but please do that. Any difficulties or queries, feel free to reach me out personally. And if you do make your own VPN, make sure to tag me in the post if you make. So thank you.